I sit here for 2 hours every night. My table used to look like this when I went to bed and then when I woke up. There's a better way. The world is already super busy, okay? It's loud, it's noisy. And I am overstimulated by the end of the day. I need that 2-hour veg time to actually get my sleep. So this is how I keep my table clean. Surprise, the hidden stash. This is gonna blow your mind. I have snacks, lots of snacks. And you know, along with snacks, what do you need? You need wipies. I get pistachio stuff on my fingers. I have wipies. I also get tired and I fall asleep right here. So I have, if I haven't took my makeup off, I have makeup wipe removers and my night cream. I would always forget. I would fall asleep and forget. So this, my lotion for all types of things. See, this just goes right in the basket. I also would forget to put my eyelash serum on my eyelashes. This actually works, you guys. Try it out. So now that it's in my basket, my makeup's already off. I just put it right there. My note cards, because when I'm sitting here, a lot of times I'll think of something I need to do, and it's right here in my note cards. I really like my note card system thing. I also have this because I am pretty forgetful. If I think of something, oh no, you really have to get that, right? I will say, okay, say I have to get hay for my rabbit. I will make a little note right here, okay? And I put that right there. So I will remember in the morning to get hay, okay? So my glasses also go in here like this. Now, I have my iPad here. The charger's always here for my phones and iPad. I have this Kleenex thing. This has Kleenex in it. And this one in particular has a little top. So I have the dish right here. And I put my hair bows, hair clips, or earrings. They're always in here, right? I use so many Kleenexes. I have an empty Kleenex box right here. All the trash goes right here. And it's right there. Now, so when I take my drink at bed at night, I have a couple of stacks of paper towels. I'll put a new paper towel out. This goes to me to bed. And this table is clean and ready for my coffee. And look how my table looks when I wake up. I did not clean one single thing. And this is how it stays clean. So it's always not just clean more, clean harder. It's clean smarter. Down below, I have a home audit quiz so you can discover the tools and what you need to do this yourself. The world is really busy. This is how I am actually surviving in today's day. I clean houses, I create content, I have an aging mother, I have all the things. And the world is super busy and I'm aging, right? This is how I have discovered how to maintain my life and just be sane. Thanks for joining me. I'll be back next week with another video.